This is a demo of the Cireson remote support integration for FreshService. So from the apps menu, we have the application currently installed as a custom application. Upon installation, you are prompted to submit a URL. This is the URL for the server that is running the Cireson remote support application. You'll see within here, if you save the URL, we now have the integration configured. This integration can be utilized in a number of different areas within FreshService. First area is within an incident ticket. You see an incident that is an incident for Sean Erickson. And Sean Erickson, we now see that within the integration pane, we have two options for this incident. One, we can manage information from Sean Erickson, or we can manage information from the device that Sean Erickson is assigned owner asset of. For this integration to work, the FreshService instance must be configured using the SCCM, the System Center Configuration Manager integration. And what that does is it brings in user and asset data from Configuration Manager, which is the same data that our application uses in the remote support instance. So for this integration to work, they both, remote support and FreshService, would have to have been integrated with the same Configuration Manager environment. From within here, this button is simply a link to this user's information within the Cireson remote support product. So if I click here, a new tab is opened up and is brought to the remote support application. In this case, I have not logged into the remote support application. In most environments, the remote support application uses integrated authentication, so the user will automatically authenticate it behind the scenes, but they do have to authenticate. So if once I sign in, I'm presented, and in this case, there's two records in Configuration Manager for Sean Erickson. I can pick which one I'd like to use by simply clicking Manage, and I get to the Cireson Remote Support UI for Sean Erickson's information. Similarly, if I wanted to get more information about Sean Erickson's device, in this case TS210, I can click that. Again, a new tab is opened up, and I'm brought directly to the TS210 device, and I can continue to troubleshoot it using the Cireson Remote Support tools. Two other areas of the application that this integration is available is from the user record itself. I can go in and similarly open Sean Erickson's information in remote support. From within here, I see Sean Erickson also has an asset, and from the computer record, again, I can open up that computer record directly on the record from within FreshService.